Hey there traders, welcome back to Day Traders Live, your go-to source for real-time market insights and razor-sharp trade ideas. I'm Han, and today we're diving into the bombshell news that President Trump is suggesting a US exit from NATO. Could this really happen? Maybe, maybe not. But even the idea has the potential to send shockwaves through the markets. Stick around for the full breakdown, and be sure to catch our concrete trade plan at the end of this video. Wall Street and European analysts are sounding the alarm on Trump's statements about NATO. If the US truly pulls out, or even just threatens to, the global security landscape shifts in a major way. Investors instantly start worrying about military spending, potential conflicts, and the future of transatlantic partnerships. And you know what that means in our world: volatility. We've seen it before with Brexit back in 2016. Markets sold off hard. The DAX dropped around 7%, and global stocks shed trillions in value practically overnight. The key takeaway? When a major political or economic pillar looks shaky, traders stampede into safe haven assets, and riskier plays get hammered. Likewise, any whiff of an alliance breakdown, like tensions in NATO, can spark heavy moves in the currency and equity markets. Even if an actual exit never happens, the rumor alone can cause big intraday price swings. Here's the consensus view. DXY, US dollar index, is likely to jump higher. When geopolitics get messy, the dollar often benefits as a safe haven. If fear takes over, we could see DXY push through its next resistance near 110, maybe even retest 114 if things get truly chaotic. EUR/USD would probably move the opposite way, down. With Europe on the front lines of any NATO uncertainties, the euro could slump below the 1.0350 support level. After that, parity, 1.0000, is not off the table if the news cycle remains negative. In equities, defense contractors are the hot ticket. Why? Because if the United States steps back from NATO, Europe must pick up the slack. That means more defense spending on the continent. Check out stocks like Rheinmetall, ticker RRHM.D, Leonardo, ticker Eldo.Mi, Systems, ticker Bay.L, and Thales, ticker Ho.Pa. They've previously seen double-digit jumps on any hints of increased European military budgets. On the flip side, most other European sectors, particularly banks, automakers and travel, would tank on the fear of a weaker economy and unstable investment outlook. The DAX, CAC 40, and Euro Stoxx 50 are all vulnerable to sell-offs of several percentage points in a single day. Now let's talk about how we plan to actually trade these moves. Remember, keep position sizes modest and use disciplined stops. Volatility cuts both ways. First, short EUR/USD. The trigger is a confirmed break below 1.0350. Enter around 1.0330 on momentum after that support breaks. Set your stop loss at 1.0450, above recent resistance. Take profit at the first target of 1.0200. If momentum's strong, consider trailing a portion toward 1.0000 or parity. Second, long Rheinmetall, ticker RHM.DE. The trigger is if negative NATO headlines spark a gap up, say above 700 euros. Enter around 700 euros. Set your stop loss at 665 euros, about 5% below entry, near recent close. Take profit at 770 euros for a potential 10% intraday move. Pro tip: trail your stop once you're up 5% to lock in gains. Third, short the DAX futures, ticker FDAX or DAX index. The trigger is a break below 15,000. Enter around 14,900 after the level is clearly broken. Set your stop loss at 15,300 to withstand an intraday whipsaw. Take profit at 14,250, aiming for about a 4 to 5% drop. Move stops lower as price falls. So there you have it, the day's big story. An American retreat from NATO has the potential to shake up global markets. We're on the lookout for a stronger dollar, a weaker euro, a surge in European defense contractors, and possibly some painful drops in European bank and auto stocks. As always, keep your eyes glued to the headlines. This story can break in either direction fast, and it's all about timing and risk control. Thanks for watching daytraders.live. Let us know your thoughts down in the comments, and if you found value in this, hammer that like button and subscribe for more real-time analysis. Until next time, trade safe and trade smart. Daytraders.live navigating volatility, one trade at a time. Disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes and is not financial advice. Always do your own research and manage your risk carefully.